So we are from Bureka Forbes. So we are basically into the health and hygienic and safety. So we deal the product which is related to very important to the society. So mainly on the water purification and the cleaning the home and the security. So which everybody requires today. So wherever the metro you go today, the safety is one of the major issue. So we deal the product which is mainly takes care of entire family, entire your house when you are out of the town also. And again we have a product which is related to health, so water purification, it avoids waterborne disease and can take care of your family, kids, everything. And we have a system which is air purification system. So nowadays if you see a lot of airborne diseases are increasing and the air is much more polluted than the water today. So for that we have an equipped product which is called as Euro Air brand air purifier. So we are into all the range of which is health and hygienic product. Especially which we are newly into the product is CCTV and the home automation systems, and we have a biometric, especially in the security system. We have an air purifier which is newly the Euro Air brand, which we have a variety of segments. It starts from small room to the bigger conference halls, even double bedroom house, big houses, small houses. We can have variety of customer can choose what is requirement. So water purification, of course, we have a variety of the products. We have newly we have come out with the product which is called Enhance. So UV plus ultra purification plus the Miracle that removes the heavy metals in the water, and also it gives a safe and purified water. The Enhance is one of the unique cutting edge products, which is the world's first technology in one product you will have. This across the country, and we have this same product is sold in across the country everywhere. And we have almost 1,200 service centers across the country. So this is one of the unique you will find which is operated through our directions. Of course, after it's a doorstep service. They have customer can call us to our call center, that is 39883333 anytime 24/7, 365 days it will be open. You can call for service, sales and any assistance for existing product also.